this Wednesday, October 7th, 2020, time about 9:15 a.m. Central Time. Yesterday was one of those days. I think that everybody was caught off guard when the president called off negotiations between the House and, of course, his team that was negotiating with Ms. Pelosi. In addition, he's even confounded everybody more by this morning saying he'd like to do piecemeal, which already Ms. Pelosi said she wouldn't do. So I don't know where any of this goes. The airlines have jumped on that news. I get it. But will the Democrats give in to the president? They look like then they're backtracking. It's political. You don't know. Elections are in front of us. Everybody's going to weigh how it plays in the press, not how it plays on the people. But as you look at the market, the stock market shrugged that off right back up today. Here's what I keep watching, the copper market. You know that I'm glued to that because that tells me how the real economy is doing, and it's still very good. I know that it's the golden week in China, and you're missing those traders there. So you go down too much, you come up too much, I get it. On the energy market, it's the opposite of copper. It is saying demand isn't there and the economies are weak. So the cross currents are very, very strong. Grain markets jumping today as China's in the market again, buying a lot of soybeans, and that is important. I had a long talk yesterday with Gordon Linn, the founder of Linn Associates, and he believes that if we start seeing the 2021-2022 year, China moving to buy soybeans in that year, they're telling you how strong that they think that they need the beans, number one. Number two, how bullish that would be for commodities in general in the grain sector. As for the dollar index, down a little bit today, and what a crazy day. I'm telling you, what the president did yesterday threw us all for a real looper, if you will. And you're getting a bit of a rally here. Boris Johnson today has put out another ultimatum saying that if the European Union and the UK negotiators can't make headway by the 15th, which is just over a week from now, it's over. They're going to go their own route, and that'll be the end of it. They're going to give up on the negotiations, and that'll create more chaos for the Eurozone, there's no question, and for the UK. Let's hope it's not what it turns out to be. As for the news of the day, still very good news in terms of the mortgages. And you got to remember, as housing prices keep going up, these mortgages get bigger. The refis get bigger. So that's something else to keep on your tablet here. But the index itself up 4.6%, so that's pretty good, if you will. You were down on the purchase index, but that goes week to week. The refi was very strong. The Conference Board Help Wanted Index, that's a positive. Now, admittedly, this is August numbers. We'll get to SEP soon, but that's still a ways back. We'll see. I don't think anything got worse in that time. U.S. Federal Reserve credit comes out this afternoon. Vice President Pence and Ms. Harris, they will debate tonight. German Stat Office said that the total German industrial output surprised the market with a fall of 0.2%. The market was looking for actually the market to see an increase of 1.5%, and traders say that Goldman Sachs Fund will begin its roll starting very shortly here. Want to remind you all that one of the things that I offer, and you can give it a try, I offer a free trial to my market research. You get a combination with that of my written updates. You're going to get a combination of my videos, everything my subscribers are paying for a limited time if you haven't tried it before. It's a great way to take a free look, see does this fit in with your doing. You can even get a free trial at the same time to my Spider ETF. So we offer you the whole package so you can see it before you buy it. Many people buy it right after that, but you'll decide for yourself. My writings, you hear me talk about them in my end of the day wrap up all the time. And I think you'll find this to be something that might be of interest to you. And by the way that I write, very quick, to the point. The idea is not to have your reading for 10 minutes. The videos will do that part for you. So how do you get this and how do you try it? It's simple. Just go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under free offers, just click that. You'll see everything right there, and away you go. I'm Ira. You have a great day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Take care.